we're going to give you some tips and tricks for the ULU Ultimate Regrow. 49 amazing ingredients, all you need. The first thing I want to share with you is people say, well, what is 6 capsules a day? But it is 49 active ingredients. It is all you need. What do we mean? This is your multivitamin. You don't need to take another. This is your antioxidant. It's in here. Your immune, zinc and C. It's in here. Your vitamin D. It's in here. Your female support blend, natural extracts. It's in here. And then we feed the hair, skin, nails with not one but 2 proprietary blends. Your keratin, your collagen, your biotin, your saw palmetto, all in this balanced formula. That is why. This is all you need. I was getting up and opening all these bottles. I said, why don't they just make one formula with everything? Well, we did. And that's why it works so well. And that's why it's easy, because you're going to use it if it's easier just to take and not have to think about. So that's first. Understand that's why there's 3 capsules twice a day. And the other reason for twice a day is those B vitamins. They are water soluble. They get one pass and they're gone. So if you can keep the B vitamins regular in your system, you're going to realize more benefits from the B vitamins, including, of course, hair growth. So always, we recommend a little something in your tummy. Some nuts. I will sometimes have a little bit of yogurt. Some people even open the capsules, which you can do, and dissolve it in the yogurt and have something in their tummy. Supplements can upset the tummy, so we advise that you have a little something. And according to Dr. Sinclair and friends, a little bit of food, such as we just showed you, those portions, do not break your fast. So you can still fast, but have that little bit so you don't see the tummy upset. Next, full glass of water is so important. We want those capsules into the stomach where they can dissolve and the nutrients can be absorbed. So full glass of water is very, very important. And finally, not only be consistent in taking care of your body, but be consistent in taking care of you and your thoughts. Believe in yourself, visualize the person, the life you want to have and be, and then feel it. Feel like it's already happened. We believe in you. We want you to believe in you even more than you already do. We're ULU, and we're here for you.